With its second major release of 2022, Quavo is deploying several product fixes, compatibility changes, and enhancements to its QFD product, along with all of the necessary changes coming with the biannual mandates release for both Visa and MasterCard. In today's video, we want to briefly review some of those changes at a high level in preparation for the update going live in mid-April. First and foremost, QFD has been updated with all of the necessary changes for both Visa and MasterCard claims to ensure that our clients are staying compliant with the recovery process for each association. There is a specific April Mandates 2022 training video that goes into detail around all of the updates to ensure that our clients are ready for those specific changes. In addition to the mandates updates, Quavo is also introducing the following functionality into QFD for both intake and investigation users. For the front office intake users, there is a new way to easily and quickly withdraw a case during the intake process. In the past, users have had to utilize the Other Actions button in the upper right-hand corner of the front office user interface to withdraw a case. With the new version of QFD, intake users can simply select the Cancel button on the bottom left-hand side of their QFD questionnaire. By selecting this button, users will be asked the reason that they want to withdraw the case, and once that reason has been entered, the case can be withdrawn. This enhancement is meant to simplify situations where the cardholder may not want to continue forward with the intake process and the case needs to be withdrawn. Additionally, for the intake process, a new optional workflow has been added to allow issuers to review claims that were abandoned during the intake process. This workflow is disabled by default within the system and must be enabled before it can be utilized. For more information around this new process or getting it turned on, please reach out to your client experience representative for more information. Back office investigators, there have been updates to the overall Ethica process to speed up the collaboration check and recovery process. A new participation check prevents delays that can occur while waiting for a response from a disputed transaction when the merchant does not participate in Ethica. Now, we will send out a check to ensure that it is an Ethica-eligible merchant before going through the full collaboration process. Additionally, any merchant comments that are received will now be displayed in the recovery action history. This will allow back office agents to see specific information from the Ethica merchant in their response. The last noteworthy enhancement that we will cover in this video is around the updates to the initial interaction decision and automation. QFD has a new optional configuration that will allow for immediate provisional credit for posted transactions on any claim that contains a mix of posted and pending card transactions. Previously, if a claim contained any pending transaction, the entire claim would route for a provisional credit review. In addition to giving immediate PC on posted transactions being claimed, when the pending transactions post, they will also be evaluated for automatic provisional credit. This enhancement will allow for more automation in the provisional credit process and is also there as a cardholder satisfier to ensure that they are getting their funds as quickly as possible. In addition to these noteworthy enhancements, QFD has been updated with a variety of fixes and compatibility updates to enhance the overall user experience. For a complete list of all updates, fixes, and enhancements, please review the QFD release notes for this version release. As always, if you have any additional questions or specific topics of conversation, please reach out to your client experience representative to discuss in more detail. Thank you for joining us for today's video. We look forward to continuing to work with you to make the overall QFD community better each and every day. Thank you, and have a great day.